guys, this is Kajal and welcome back to PCOD Life. In this video, I'll be showing you how I do my makeup and what is the correct way to apply the makeup and how to make your boring outfits look more interesting with few accessories. So let's go. I start with cleansing my face with a very light cleanser. I use Cetaphil cleanser. It's really good for my acne-prone skin. I have been using this product for it has been so long. It has helped me a lot during my acne journey. And now I'll be showing you how I do my makeup in the correct order. The most important thing when it comes to makeup is primer. Because without primer, your base is not gonna look clear. So first of all, I use Maybelline Fit Me primer. I have Rare Beauty primer as well, but it's kind of shiny. It gives the base a little occasion wise, so I don't use it on an everyday basis. But Maybelline primer, I use it on a daily basis. And how I apply it, let's start. First, I always start with a good primer to create a smooth base for my makeup. Next, a quick spritz of setting mist help my makeup stay fresh all day long. Then I apply my favorite foundation directly to my face. Mixing it with a concealer to conceal any blemishes or dark circles for a flawless finish. I use my favorite MAC compact and the beauty blender from MAC to flawlessly blend my foundation and conceal my face. For a natural blush, I add a touch of blush to the apples of my cheeks, giving my face a healthy and radiant glow. Here I'm using Maybelline eyeliner. I really don't know how to draw an eyeliner, so here it's my very rare try. My favorite Rare Beauty mascara. I have actually poked my eyes here, but yes, beauty is pain. This is my favorite lipstick. It looks so good. It's wine red and it's my favorite. As you can see, with just the lipstick, my makeup is enhanced on another level. So this is my final makeup look. With just minimal products, a bomb lipstick, you can do anything. So this is my final look, and now I'm gonna show you how accessorizing can actually top notch this look. Going to a beach party with this look? Try these. This is the first look, and now moving on to the next look. Want to try something chic like shells? Well, if this isn't the look, then what is? You want to go to an ethnic party with this look? These are the only 3 looks that I wanted to share with you guys and see what looks the best. So yeah, so this is the look. Let me know if you like this video. Comment section below that if you really like my video and if you want to see something like this more. So for now, see you again.